Let's learn to play spooky ookey. Here's the first half of spooky ookey. So we start with our thumb on C, and we walk up to D, and back to C, and back to D. That's basically it, the first bit. So C, D, C, D. Then the next bit is E flat, which we've had before, E flat to D, and again. So I'm going to put that together. So first bit, go C, D, C, D, then E flat, D, E flat, D, and then we're going to add a little bit on the end. C, walk up to the E flat and back, down, and 3 C's on the end. So I'm going to put that all together. So we start with C, go C to D, C to D, E flat to D, E flat to D, then we go C, D, E flat, D, C, C, C. Now the idea with this is to make it all very smooth, and it's all going to be very quiet as well. So let me show you again. So C. Now if you have a look at your music, you can see there's a long curvy line going under the whole of the first line. That means to play smoothly, legato. Also, you've got the letter P there. P is short for piano, which is the Italian word for quietly. We use lots of Italian words in music. So this first section is smooth and quiet. And also, at the end of the first line, are double dots and a double line, which mean to repeat the whole line. So let me play the whole of the first line twice. So it gets C, D, all of that. Now you might like to pause the video and just keep going back over this first section before you look at the next section. But when you're happy with that first section, carry on and look at the next bit. Now, in your music, the next section has the letter F in front of it. F is short for forte, which is the Italian for loud. So the next bit is loud, and the notes are white with sticks because they are 2-beat long notes. They're long notes. This next section starts on F, so you do a long F and another one. Then an E flat, 2 of them, 2 Ds and 2 Cs. Now we repeat that section, an F and an F, an E flat and an E flat, 2 Ds, that's it. I'm going to pause. Now, you'll want to play a C, but don't, because now if you look at the end of your third line, you'll see it goes all the way up to your little finger on G, and there are dots under the note, which means to play it spikily staccato, and the notes go coming back down to C, beginning of the last line. So let's just stick with those 2 lines, the second and the third line. So I'm going to go back over that again. So here's the F with your 4 fingers, so let's try it. So it goes F, F, E flat, D, D, C, C, F, F, E flat, D, D, little finger next, G, F, E flat, D, and we stop on the C. I'm going to do that once more before we look at the last section. So going back over the F bit, so remember this is all loud. Here we go, 3, 4. F, F, E flat, D, D, C, C. F, F, E flat, D, D. Little finger next, G, F, E flat, D, C. So I'd suggest before you look at the last section of this video, go back over the first 2 sections a couple of times until you're really happy you can play all of that, and then we can look at the next bit, which I'm going to go over now. So looking at the last line, we've actually just ended on a C. Now, I've held that note, but if you look at your last line, that C actually goes, it's quiet again because it's P, it's smooth again because it's got the flowing line under it, the slur. and it goes C, D, C, D, E flat, D, E flat, D. Now you'll want to play what you did at the beginning of the piece, but it's different now. The very last bit is going to go all the way up the stairs from C, like tippy toes, and all the way back down like tippy toes. 2, 3, 4, and then you won't be able to see it, but find a high C on your piano and you play a high C for the end. So I'm going to show you the last line again. So remember, this line starts like the first line but ends differently, so it's really important you understand the difference between the two. So we do this, so that's like the opening. This is like the first line, but from here on it's different. We're going to go C, and we're going to tiptoe up the stairs, tiptoe back down the stairs, don't forget your E flat, 2, 3, 4, and a high C. Okay, I'll show you again. So it's all quiet apart from the last note, which is a surprise ending. You're going to do a really loud note at the end. So here we go. So you go C, D, C, D, E flat, D, E flat, D, C, all the way up, all the way back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, on the end. Right, so go back over that section a few times, but when you're happy that you've got all the different sections, you can try and put it all together. So I'm going to talk you through the whole piece now, from the beginning. So here's the first line. It goes, I'll count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, D, C, D, E flat, D, E flat, D, C, D, E flat, D, C, 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 and repeat. C, D, C, D, E flat, D, E flat, D, C, D, E flat, D, C, C, C. Now long loud Fs. F, coming down to E flat, E flat, then long Ds and long Cs. And we're going to repeat that bit. F, F, E flats, then 2 Ds, but then the next note is going to be